this Kalamkari art form is basically from Andhra Pradesh. ठीक है, तो कलमकारी जो आर्ट फॉर्म है, इंडियन फोक आर्ट जो है, ये आंध्र प्रदेश को बिलोंग करता है. So this beautiful kalamkari, if you divide this kalamkari into two parts, we have kalam and we have kari. Okay, so kalam is pen and kari is kari means craftsmanship. So the kalamkari is an Indian textile. You can see kalamkari is done on fabric. Basically, it is a cotton textile, I will say. And there are two types of kalamkari we have in India. Or you can say that there are two villages we have in Andhra Pradesh. Those village name is, one is Machalipattanam village and another is Sri Kalahasti village. So there are two types of kalamkari we have. One is Machalipattanam style of kalamkari and another is Sri Kalahasti style of kalamkari. Okay. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि दो टाइप्स के कलमकारी हैं हमारे पास इन इंडिया में. So एक है मछलीपट्टनम स्टाइल और दूसरा है श्री कालाहस्ती स्टाइल. So in Machalipattanam style you can find small wooden blocks you can find, or bigger size wooden blocks you can find. Those are the wooden blocks normally artists are done on fabric. Okay, इसी तरह के wooden blocks आपको मिल जाएंगे, छोटे बड़े कोई भी साइज का हो सकता है. और ये ब्लॉक्स जो है जब आप कपड़े पे आप डालते हैं तो जो प्रिंट निकलता है उसको हम मछलीपट्टनम स्टाइल ऑफ कलमकारी में ऐड करते हैं, राइट. सो अनदर स्टाइल ऑफ कलमकारी इज श्री कालाहस्ती स्टाइल ऑफ कलमकारी, where the artists are use their pen, their natural dyes to create kalamkari artwork, and the artists are done in different surfaces. You can find kalamkari on sari, on dupattas, on any fabric you can find. But nowadays you can find in different surfaces, like in wooden surface also you can find kalamkari artwork. In other surfaces like paper on canvas also you can easily find this beautiful kalamkari artwork. So I have one Sri Kalahasti style of kalamkari sari with me, which is done with the natural dyes. This one is Sri Kalahasti style of kalamkari. All these designs are hand drawn. Okay, each and every motifs are hand drawn. You can see all these things are hand drawn. This is cotton cloth. Basically, you can find flower patterns and leaves, and those are very like you can see repeatedly. You can find the motifs are very repeatedly. You can find, and somewhere you can find this type of mistakes also, as this is handmade. So you can find this type of mistakes in some place, and there are different type of pattern or flower you can find. This whole you can see the sari is in black and white combination. You can find colorful subject also. You can find other elements like birds, animals, or human figures also you can find in those saris in kalamkari style. So this is Sri Kalahasti style of kalamkari, and where the artist used this type of wooden blocks in on the top of the fabric. It's called Machalipattanam style of kalamkari. Okay, everyone clear about this two topic? And also you can find lots of similar motifs in Persian motifs. You can find, if you know about Persian art, you can find lots of similarities in Persian art and this kalamkari artwork. Okay, so those are the things, the normal things you have to remember whenever you find this kalamkari artwork or you see kalamkari painting. Okay, then I'm going to show you some of my works so that you have an idea about what is you mean by kalamkari painting. Okay, so this is my Kalamkari Peacock painting. I use 150 GSM paper to make this painting, and here I use acrylic color. So you can use acrylic color or pastel colors. It totally depends upon you. Here I use only single color in the background, as you can see. So whenever you are using single color in your painting, that is known as monochromatic painting, also we known as. And if you want, you can go for 2 colors or more than 2 colors also. It totally depends upon your subject. And what colors you want, and small like tips we have, that where you have to use which colors and what are the color combination go well. So all those things we have in this Kalamkari workshop. Okay, so this is Kalamkari Peacock painting. So have a look on this beautiful painting. So you can find lots of intricate work inside the peacock and also outside the peacock also. Outline part also you can find lots of detailing work. So in this way you can easily find that this is Kalamkari painting. Okay, and also the leaves are very like different from other art form. You can find lots of like small patterns in the leaf, in the flowers. Okay, so when you make 2-3 painting, it will be easier for you to identify which is Kalamkari painting and which is not. Other than this, I have this beautiful Ma Saraswati in Kalamkari style. Okay, so here also you can see that the intricate work is done in this painting, and also there is no setting techniques we use in Kalamkari. In some of the like motifs you can find little bit of setting, but that is optional. There is no compulsory rule that you have to add setting in Kalamkari artwork. First thing is that, and second thing is that you can see different types of god and goddesses in Kalamkari artworks. Okay, so this is Ma Saraswati in Kalamkari style. The same way you can find this Ganesha, Lord Ganesha in Kalamkari style. So here you can see, here I use red and blue color combination to make this beautiful painting with lots of intricate work. Okay, so what are the patterns you can find repeatedly in Kalamkari artwork? This type of curved lines you can find in all over the painting in Kalamkari. Small lines you can find. This type of artwork you can find in Kalamkari. The flower pattern is very simple, but when you compose your painting, it looks beautiful. This type of element you can find behind the subject. So here the subject is Lord Ganesha. So you have to make the Lord in the middle part, basically, and you have to decorate your painting. You have to compose your painting like that. You can, if you know how to make the figures, how to make the hands perfectly, how to make the painting beautifully, how to choose the color combination, how to add single color in your painting, it will be very easy for you to make any type of Kalamkari artwork. Okay, just like that, I have this beautiful Ma Lakshmi in Kalamkari style. So here also you can see only one maroon color I used in Kalamkari in this painting. So you have to make sure that where you have to use which color. For example, if you are adding color in the background, please don't add any color in the skin part. Okay, the same thing, if you add this brown color or this maroon color in the skin part, don't add color in the background. Otherwise, your subject is not going to be visible. Okay, if you are making background darker, then your subject will be in lighter shade. If you make the subject darker, then your background should be in lighter shade. Those are the simple techniques we have in all paintings. Like if you are focusing on any type of painting, those are the things you have to remember while making the painting. And always I teach the sketching part in my sessions, so that everyone can make beautiful painting and any size they can easily make. For example, this is, we just complete this, so you just want to show. Okay, you can see now. So this is Ma Durga in Kalamkari style, where you can see this beautiful lion and those 4 hands you can find, and beautiful border design, intricate work you can find in this painting. Okay, just like that. If you can see this beautiful Ganesha painting also. Okay, so those are the beautiful painting you can easily make when you know what are the things you have to remember while making the Kalamkari painting. Okay,